Simplification. Hey, I'm Ellie the Explorer, and today we are going on a super fun math adventure. We are going to learn how to solve tricky puzzles using something called simplification of numerical expressions. Let's grab our compass and treasure map to find some hidden answers. Understanding numerical expressions. Do you know what a numerical expression is? It's a fancy way of saying a problem that uses addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Sometimes all at once. Learning how to simplify these expressions makes solving them super easy. 8 times 20 divided by 2 plus 8 is equal to. One can work them out in different ways and obtain different results unless and until we have any rule to simplify them. Considering the given expression, we have According to these rules, whenever an expression involves a number of these operations plus, subtraction, times and divided by, these should be performed in the following order. Division, D. Multiplication, M. Addition, A. Subtraction, S. In short, we call this rule as BODMAS rule. Types of brackets. Look at these magic brackets. We have 3 types. Round brackets, curly brackets, square brackets. These are circular or small brackets. These are curly brackets to include circular brackets. These are big or square brackets to include circular and curly brackets. Rules for removing brackets from a numerical expression. Rule 1. When different types of brackets are used in a numerical expression, they are removed in the order: round brackets, curly brackets, and square brackets. Rule 2. If there is positive sign before a pair of brackets, the brackets are removed without any change in the sign of the final number inside. Rule 3. If there is negative sign before a pair of brackets, the brackets are removed with a change in the sign of the final number inside. Rule 4. If there is a number before a pair of brackets, the final number inside after removing the brackets is multiplied by this number. Understanding of just means multiplication. Whenever in a numerical expression we find twice of, 8% of, 4 of 5, 1/3 of 6, etc., we use times multiple sign in place of. Twice of 5 is equal to 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 1/3 of 6 is equal to 1/3 times 6 is equal to 2. To simplify a numerical expression, the order in which BODMAS rule is used, removal of brackets is done and of operation is carried out, is followed as given below. Removal of brackets, B. Removal of O. Application of BODMAS rule. Thus, we follow BODMAS rule in all.